Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 4 plus x power minus 4 is equals to 1154 where x is greater than 0 and we have to find the value of 2 times x minus 3 whole square. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write x power 4 plus x power minus m, we can write it as 1 by x power m. So we can write it as 1 by x power 4 is equals to 1154. Now I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So the equation becomes x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equals to 1156. Now x power 4 we can write it as x square whole square. Similarly 1 by x power 4 as 1 by x square whole square plus 2 is equals to 1156. Now it's look like a formula, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if I put the value x square plus 1 by x square whole square, the formula becomes x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times of x square times 1 by x square. So we can eliminate this and the formula is this. So we can write it as directly x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to 1156. Now I am doing squaring, square root both sides. So x square so the left hand side become x, this square eliminates the square root. So x square plus 1 by x square is equals to plus minus 156 is the square of 34. So as we know, this is the positive value. So the answer must be positive. So we reject the negative one. So minus 34 will be rejected. So only one value exists, that is x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 34. Now again I am doing adding both sides to. So it's look like x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equals to 36. Now again it's becoming formula. If we compare it with this, so it becomes the formula of x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 36. Now again I'm doing square root both sides. So this square eliminates the square root. So it becomes x plus 1 by x is equals to plus 36 or minus 36. So again we can remove the value of minus 36 because our x is greater than 0. So we reject this value. So x plus 1 by x is equals to 6. Sorry, we'll write the square root of 6. Now if I'll take the LCM x, and here is x square plus 1 is equals to 6. So the value of x square plus 1 is equals to 6x. And the value of x square minus 6x is equals to minus 1. So we'll erase this portion to make the space. So as we know, we have to find the value of this expression 2x minus 3 whole square. So here we can use our identity a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write it as 2 times a square is x square plus b square is minus 3 square is 9 minus 2 times x times minus 3, that is 2x square plus 9 plus 6x since minus 3 3 and this is minus 6. Sorry for this mistake. Minus 6x, or we can write it as x square minus 6x plus 9. And the value of x square minus 6x is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 9. So 2 times of 8, that is 16. So the value of x is 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.